Hello and welcome to Your Next Car UK. It's James here bringing another video on a stunning BMW 335 diesel saloon. So guys, let's have a quick walk around the outside of the car whilst I talk you through some of the tech and options, and then I'll show you some of the features in action. So of course we have the Your Next Car Performance Pack, which is all fitted in-house here at Your Next Car, the home of the performance BMW. Included in some of the options is the stunning LED headlamps, which you can see in operation there. We've opted for the gloss black pack on this particular vehicle. Included in that is the stunning 19-inch LA Msport Multi-Spoke Alloys, which really sits well against the silver of the body colour. Inside this particular car we have the stunning Oyster leather, which in the front is heated. It also features such like the professional media and navigation pack, which I'll get further into in a minute. A really clean, tidy example inside and out. We have the privacy glass as well for that added security and executive look. One particularly rare and obscure option on this particular 3 Series saloon is the split folding seats, which you can see there. I have folded them down already for you. Believe it or not, this is an optional extra on the 3 Series, which is a very one that is worth having in my opinion. Even though the boot space is very nice, it's still a nice feature to have. We of course have the Msport Performance logo and vinyl and sidebars. Once again showing you off the stunning gloss black 19-inch alloys, which we have had fully refurbished here at Your Next Car. So showing you off just how large that boot space actually is. But of course you can fold the seats down on this particular 3 Series saloon. It is also fitted of course with BMW's superb X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. Really nice gloss black rear boot spoiler as well as that rear performance diffuser. And if we just drop down a little bit, you will see that this vehicle does have a rear reversing camera, which I will show you a little demonstration of in just a moment. So let's get on inside and show you some of the features and options. Climbing on inside, and I'll start the car up. We of course have BMW's superb professional media and navigation package. Included in that is of course there's your nav. There is your telephone for Bluetooth communications and media. We have a wide range of multimedia inputs including DAB radio. There we have all the multimedia inputs, including the lovely music collection, which I have spoke about previously on the channel, where you can store and rip music directly to the car's hard drive. If you still have a lot of CDs, a very useful feature where you can just store them to the car and then take the CDs out of the car. We have heated seats, as I mentioned earlier. We'll have 8-speed sports gearbox with flappy pedal shift. We have the cruise control, voice recognition, voice activation. There you can see on the odometer it has covered just over 45,000 miles, so a relatively low mileage car for its age. And as I mentioned earlier, we'll now show you that lovely reversing camera. So there we have it, a reversing camera, very useful, and again a rare and obscure option to find on a 3 Series saloon. However, it is very useful to have, especially when backing up, even though you do have the front and rear sensors. A very useful feature to have nonetheless. So one little last walk around the outside of the car. Of course, here at Your Next Car we can offer you some superb finance packages and deals to suit all the needs if they are required. And if you are requiring any further information on any of our finance packages, or just generally on the car or any of our other current stock, please do feel free to give us a call on 0115 822 9431. Alternatively, you can drop us an email at yournextcar@icloud.com. And of course you can view the still images of this car on our website or on our Auto Trader. Okay guys, that's just about it from me here on the stunning 335 diesel saloon in silver. Okay, thank you very much, enjoy the rest of your day and thank you.